So we're now at the intersection of the Lower Mall Road, Lower Mall Boulevard. So that's that road. And then up this is where the bus is coming from. That's the Memorial Road. And you can see across is the Fraser River Parkade. Down there is the Place Vania residences for students. And you can also see Evo, an Evo parking spot down there. Yeah, so we're heading to north, heading to the Nitobi Memorial Garden entrance and Museum of Anthropology. So there's no vehicle access, but for pedestrians, if you park at the Fraser River Parkade, you can walk down here. And it's quite nice. Oh, I'm gonna take this other pathway here. You can see some of the signs here. Some of the donors to the garden. Not sure if it's open. Never been here. Pretty nice pathway. And even though it's mossy, it's not slippery at all. Oh, it's too bad it's closed. Huh. It's only open on Tuesdays and Fridays from 10 to 2. And it's a $5 donation. Oh man, it sucks. Can't see it. Wonder if I can climb this rock. Yep, I did it. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, it's very nice. I should come back here when it's open on a weekday. Seems like a very good place to hang out. Nice pine trees there. There's a nice lake. And oh, start of autumn would be the best time to be here. Alright? Don't do what I did. This building is the Asian Center. So I don't know if it's open. Maybe it's closed as well. And the other fun thing here is you can actually, if you're a member of the Hopper Transit, and you can rent this bike around UBC. It looks pretty poorly maintained though. I don't know if I can trust this bike. It's pretty banged up. Yeah. Don't think there's any grease in there. Oof. Yeah, I'll probably bring my own bike just to be safe. Huh. It looks open, but I mean, that gate is open, but I think the building itself is closed. Yeah, that's the Asian Center. Would be nice if the pond was filled. You can have like that would be start of a pretty nice Zen garden, right? And if you can have koi in here, and that would be awesome, but I don't see it. Not today at least. But just around this area are nice walking pathways. And it's nice, it's through the trees. It's very calming. I imagine if you're a student walking through here during the day, hopefully, right, when it's nicer, warmer, it would be a lot more relaxing. Yeah, I'm just checking Asian Center out, see what I can find. Oh. Well, it's November. Looks like they haven't really maintained or updated the Zen garden here, but there's a nice Japanese, I think it's a Shinto bell. That's nice. Nice. Let's see if we can go closer. Oh, it's the Pacific Bell and the bell tower. That's lovely details to see there. I think that's the, if I'm not mistaken, the chrysanthemum symbol of Japan. Huh. Let's see what it says. Okay. Oh yeah. I think the chrysanthemum symbol is the symbol of the Emperor of Japan. I'm not sure, but that's what I read somewhere. Crafted by master craftsman Masahiko Katori. Presented to UBC in 1983 and inscribed with the 5 characters, which may be translated as clear mind leads to tranquil thoughts. Oh, nice. Apparently, Masahiko Katori received many honors for his skill in casting metal, including designation by the government of Japan as a living national treasure. I'm going to look him up later. It's a rare title bestowed only upon Japanese artisans for their skill in traditional crafts. So this bell tower, built of Canadian yellow cedar, is based on an 800-year-old design and was made possible by the donations. January 14, 1986. Wow. So this bell tower is about, well, the bell itself is about 41 years old. It's 2024 now. So that's a 41-year-old bell. You can see the symbols there that would have read, "A clear mind leads to tranquil thoughts." And then this bell tower is about 38 years old. Oh wow. Yellow cedar would last a long time. And this construction technique is an 800-year-old construction technique. I think, I don't see any nails that it's just they just make holes through the wood and then they just place sections inside. I think this is just a Canadian. That part there is a modern intervention. But original techniques The 800-year-old techniques are probably, I don't think they use any nails or anything like that. See, I don't see anything there. There's no nails to support it. It's just it's still up. Wow. There was a tornado-like event in UBC a few years ago. I think they called it a Category 1 tornado. So really good to see this one survived. Yeah. Oh, even the roof looks early. I'll take this picture here from this side. This is nice. Oh, I think it's actually open. Let's see what else can we find here. Oh, looks like there's a bust of a guy here. Must be an important donor or something. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Rabindranath Tagore. I'm not sure if I'm saying his name correctly. I do not put my faith in institutions, but in individuals all over the world who think clearly, feel nobly, and act rightly. They are the channels of moral truth. 1861 to 1941, the famous playwright, a Bengali poet, novelist, playwright, painter, educator, Nobel laureate in literature in 1913, Rabindranath Tagore. Wow, presented when 2002 by the sculptor Gautam Pal from India. Nice. Yeah. Let's take a picture of this guy. Nice. So there's a lot of really cool stuff to see just walking past the Asian Center. And here's another bell. I think this one's Chinese, not Japanese origin. I might be mistaken again. Let's see. This one is the memorial bell. There's no explanation. I'm gonna try to translate this later. It's a, what is this? Oh, here it is. So, saying Ren, or humanity benevolence, to cultivate one's personality and to practice the way to love others as one loves oneself. This is the ultimate foundation of Confucianism, one who is full of filial piety, respects and honors his parents. Nice. Yeah, it's a Chinese rock garden with a bell. Another one here. It says Zin, or trustworthiness. Of the 5 virtues, trustworthiness occupies the central position. If one can keep it vigilantly without losing it, one will have many blessings for a long time to come. Nice. Then another one. Li. Propriety rights. There are 300 rules of rights and 3,000 rules of dignified manner. Wow, that's a lot. One is well behaved, like the compass and carpenter's square for drawing circles and squares, then one can establish oneself. That's a great advice here. This one, Z. Wisdom, knowledge. Wisdom can see things not yet materialized. Wisdom covers all matters. To be able to distinguish between right and wrong is to be endowed with both accomplishments and solid qualities. Yeah, that's right. And there's a last one here. E, righteousness. To be unbiased and impartial, to conduct matters in appropriate manner, to respect people of virtue, and to be tolerant toward others, to be upright and selfless. Yes. So I'm going to take a picture. Not too bad. Go for a hike and you get knowledge imparted to you. So again, this is the Asian Center. It's just by, you walk past the lower mall and go up the street, the Memorial Road, then you'll see all of this. And there's no cost for you to walk around here.